Alright y'all, so I'm about to show you guys how I season my chicken before I fry it. These wings are going to be kind of spicy this time around, so let's get started. So for once, I'm not using my own spice, so this is for people who doesn't have my spice and want to, season the chicken really, really good. So right here, I have my kosher salt, of course. I have some lemon pepper. I have dry thyme. In this bowl right here, I have smoked paprika and garlic powder. Over here, I have some Mexican dried chilies that I found in the supermarket. It didn't even give me a name. It just said dried chilies and it's hot. And I actually tasted one little speck. It's hot as hell. So just it's usually in the front of the supermarket with all those dried chilies. Just get the hot dried one and grind it down. And this is the black pepper. So yeah, these are my wings. They're from the bag. They're nice and washed and ready to go. You're gonna add your dried chilies down. I want my wings to be hot. They finna be hot. Black pepper. You see, I'm going in with the heat and flavor first. Then you wanna add your garlic powder and smoked paprika. Season your wings, y'all. Season your wings. Your thyme, lemon pepper, not too much of that, and salt. And then we're gonna mix this up. Alright, so you want to just massage the chicken really, really good and allow it to marinate 4 hours and up to overnight. Today, mine is probably gonna be marinating for about 6 hours, and then I'm gonna fry them later. So this is it. Look how beautiful this is. The chili, the smoked paprika, the thyme. These wings are gonna be really good, flavorful, and hot. So yeah, so that's how I season my wings to get them ready. You can actually bake these. Drizzle on some melted butter, bake them. Simple. And this is how I prep my chicken for cooking, frying, whatever the cooking method may be. Sometimes. Well seasoned. Well seasoned. Season your chicken, your meat. Season it. Alright, so I have all my judging stations ready to go. I have my chicken there marinated for about 6 hours now. That's regular plain flour back there. You don't need to add anything to that. The chicken is well seasoned. Right here I have my eggs. I'm not adding anything to this either. Again, the chicken is well seasoned. You don't want to over season the chicken because there is such a thing as over seasoning. Over here is another bowl with flour. This is the flour that we are going to season. And you just want to basically add almost like the same things you added onto the chicken. So I'm going in with some garlic powder. More smoked paprika. When you add the spices in here, guys, make sure you mix it good. Like, mix it really good. I had fried chicken from somebody one time. I got a big old clump of ginger. Ground ginger. That was stuck in my chicken thigh. That was time. I have some more dried chili, so I'm going to put that down in there. Don't be shy with the chili. We want spice. The rest of my lemon pepper. Y'all know fried chicken ain't nothing without black pepper. And salt. Alright, next you want to beat up your egg really, really good. Break it all the way down because you want it to be able to spread across your chicken evenly. Alright guys, so what you want to do is you want to take your wing, put it down in your plain flour, shake, 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 put it down into your egg wash. See, I beat it to death. You see how it's just sliding off of there and coating the chicken really good. Then you want to add it to your seasoned flour. Of course, I guess you could do this in plastic bags and save the dishes, but this is the way I want to do it. And this is how it looks. Now me, I like leaving my chicken down in the flour. I don't take it out. You can take it out and put it on a rack so the flour can adhere, but I leave it down in here. Plus, I don't want to dirty any more dishes. So let me do it again. You want to do plain flour. If you're already a professional chicken fryer, you don't need to watch this video. This is for people that want to know how to fry chicken spicy and crispy. If you already know how to do that, you don't have to watch this video. Thank you. Then you put it down in your flour and coat it really well. You want to pack it, coat it really good. You just put it to the side, and then we're gonna fry them. All right, guys, I done got so excited. I started frying the chicken and didn't even put the camera on. So I have my oven, my stove has numbers. My number is on 7. And I heated up my oil and now I'm frying my chicken. These are gonna take about 10 or 12 minutes. They're just wings, guys. You don't wanna cook them to death. So about 12 minutes, and I'm putting about 6 of them at a time down in here. And you just gonna fry them until they're golden and super crispy. Oh, y'all, look at this chicken. Look at this chicken. So perfect and crispy. You can see the seasoning. It's seasoned, honey. Seasoned. But yeah, I'm gonna let this cool. My husband is on his way home, and then I'm gonna eat. Alright, you guys, so this is my plate with all my fried chicken. Look how gorgeous this chicken is. Y'all already know me. I'm gonna have my hot sauce and my lemon, and I'm about to tear this up with my greens. Alright, y'all, I'm about to get into this chicken. My husband is finally home, so we're about to eat. And I have my lemon, I got my hot sauce, and I got my lettuce over here. Yes. Ooh. You can eat this whatever you want to, guys. Like I said, I've been trying to not do too much. But yeah, so y'all know what I like to do. Put my lemon juice, my hot sauce. Yeah. Look. You laughing? Y'all, this chicken good as hell, and it's spicy. That spice definitely came through. I'll catch y'all in my next video, guys. Bye.